Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cut up a whole chicken into different parts. The chicken breast fillets, chicken legs, chicken thigh, chicken drumsticks, and chicken wings. Boneless and skinless chicken breast fillets can be really expensive. The chicken breast fillets can cost as much as 2 whole chickens. In my opinion, it is best to buy a whole chicken, cut out the chicken breast, and also get to keep the other parts of the chicken, helping you get better value for your money. So, let's get started. I have over 20 delicious chicken recipes on this channel. I'll leave all the links to the video tutorial in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and leave a comment below. And if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.